Welcome back to a new farm tour. We're going to be doing a farm tour today. Duh, it's in the name. Sorry. So here's our pigs. This one's named Paprika, this one's named Peppa, and that one's Polka, and they're all cutie pants. And this guy likes to bite my thumb. Still swollen. Don't like you. You're rude. It's electric too, so then they don't get out. Hey, Poppy! And we got Poppy the goat over here. She's a cutie. And then we got Lilac all the way back there. She's also a cutie. And that is a really cute thing. I love them. They're so cute. Okay, next video, I'm going to do a Minecraft video. So